Hey, hey, hey. It is getting closer to spring, and I know we're all excited to get back outside and work on our lawns. In this video, I'm going to share a few tips on how to get ready for the upcoming lawn season. Now, these are all things you can do or at least think about before the season officially starts. So stick around until the end of the video for my most important tip. Can you believe how expensive everything is these days? Unfortunately, lawn care products are no exception. If you want to save yourself some money, start looking for deals on everything you'll need for the season now. I'm talking fertilizer, sprinklers, hoses, PPE, boots, you name it. Trust me, once the season starts, prices will only go up. One way to save money is by using price watching apps like Honey. Now, it's super easy. You just add the products you're interested in to your watch list, and it'll send you an email when the price drops. And I've saved so much money using it. Another way to save is by using discount codes. I've got a bunch of them, so if you need a code for a product you're about to buy, just hit me up and see if I have a code for that product. All right. Next tip, keep an eye on your soil temperatures. You can stick a thermometer in the ground to check it, or you can use Greencast online. Why is it so important to watch soil temperatures? Well, it's because it plays a big role in deciding when to apply different products to your lawn throughout the season. For example, if you're using a pre-emergent herbicide to prevent weeds, you want to apply it when the soil temperatures reach 55 degrees in the spring. Now, let's say you're doing a split application. Well, you want to apply that second application when the soil temperatures are reaching 65 degrees. It's also important to watch if you're planning to seed, because you want to wait until the temperatures reach at least 55 degrees for optimal seed germination. My next tip is to create a plan. Or not. Hey, look, I've tried to follow a written plan for years now, and it just doesn't work for me. Last year, the only thing I successfully tracked was my nitrogen applications. I started off pretty good with tracking all of my applications through the Yard Mastery app, but I just didn't maintain it. Now, if you are a person who works well from planning, then I wholeheartedly recommend writing a plan and making it accessible in your work area for reference. Tip number 4, let's talk about getting our equipment ready for the spring. Now, I hope you did all of your maintenance and cleaning when you finished up last season, but if you didn't, now's the time to do it. Make sure your equipment is in tip-top shape before you start using it. Sharpen your blades, clean everything, and get as organized as you can. Okay, we have reached the top and most important tip that I have for you. Similar to when to drop pre-emergent, you can use the 55-degree mark as a guide for when to apply your first fertilizer. When it comes to fertilizing cool season lawns, the best time to do it is when the grass is actively growing, usually around March to early April, when the soil temperatures are around 55 to 60 degrees. But do keep in mind that the best time to fertilize can vary, depending on where you live and the weather conditions. So make sure to check the soil temperatures of your lawn before you start spreading fertilizer. Just remember, it's best to apply fertilizer when your grass is actively growing, so it can absorb all those yummy nutrients it needs. And I highly recommend using a slow release fertilizer to avoid burning the grass. That is it. That is all. If you have any questions or need recommendations, don't hesitate to hit me up.